Okay, so I'm kind of getting tired of people telling me that poaching an egg is too difficult. It's really not. There's just too many ways to do it. So today we're gonna fix that problem. I'm gonna test every single egg poaching method that I know of, and we're gonna decide which one is the best. Now, here are the methods we're gonna be covering. So we're gonna cover the traditional and proven Whirlpool method, which is, everyone knows that one. Then there's Jamie Oliver's interesting plastic wrap method. I don't know how I feel about this yet. Then there's the Alton Brown method, which also seems promising. And finally, my favorite because it's technologically ridiculous, the Sous Vide method.
Now to get your bath rolling, go ahead and fill a pot or a large bowl of water. Set your sous vide to 63 degrees Celsius or 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I've got 2 eggs here. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a colander just so that they don't fly all over the place. And I'm gonna put them in and let them sit for 45 minutes. While that's going, get a pot of water to a gentle simmer, add a splash of vinegar. Now, first up, we've got that traditional Whirlpool method. I'm gonna crack an egg, I'm gonna get this stirring, I'm gonna do a little whisk thing that I saw Gordon Ramsay do, and I'm gonna drop an egg into the Whirlpool and just let it naturally wrap around itself. Don't mess with it, just let it do its thing. It's done here, time elapsed real quick. Dry it off. Okay, that's the first one. Now it's time for Jamie Oliver's weird plastic wrap thingy. Put some plastic wrap in a bowl. Oh wow, look at that. And go ahead and drizzle some olive oil in there, rub it around so that it doesn't stick. Crack your egg into there, and don't do that. And do your best job to carefully wrap this up, twist it, and tie it off. Yeah, something like that. Now all you have to do is just drop it in and pray. And also splash it with some hot water because there was an air bubble that was preventing the top from cooking. For the record, I love Jamie Oliver. I just want to put that out there. Now for Alton Brown's method, you're literally dropping an egg into the hot water bath. No movement whatsoever, lid on. That's it. All right, and just like magic, here they all are. First up is the sous vide egg. Now this one was underdone. I think that it would be better if it was reheated to get the white set. It would have been better for soup. Anyway, I decided to salt this one after that catastrophe. And I mean, come on, the traditional. I mean, come on, can we get a replay? That's the traditional Whirlpool, come on. Anyway, now we've got Jamie Oliver's egg. It was actually really good. It was just as good as the traditional, except for the fact that the plastic melted. But all in all, pretty solid. Now, moving on to Alton Brown's method. So this one was good, but the yolk was overcooked. Now, he suggests that you use multiple eggs if you're not gonna swirl the water, but that was kind of like the only thing that changed the recipe for me. So, maybe it's partly my fault, but yeah, that's my verdict on this. Now, the ultimate challenge. Who will win? Sorry. Okay, for real, we're gonna figure out which egg poaching method is the victor. Now, the winner is the traditional Whirlpool. Now, I hope you guys don't hate me for picking this choice, but it just, I'm a sucker for tradition sometimes, and in the case of poaching, a traditional Whirlpool really is gonna get you the most common poached egg, the one that you're most used to. With that said, in terms of ease of use plus the outcome, Jamie Oliver's would be the winner. But for me, it's tradition because I'm an
Anyway, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next week.